intro is gonna be like this. Alright, you're starting with a D, and then A string open, and then C string 2nd fret, and then again, and then you slide to 6, then slide to 4, then slide to 2, and then you do a B flat, and then hit the 4th fret, C string, then 2, C2, then open, then 2 again, and then E string, 3rd fret, and then you do that 2 times like this. And then for the second part, you go with a D, and then 6, slide to 7, back to 6, and then 2, slide to 4, back to 2, like this. Again, D, A open, C2, C2, slide 6, then 4, and then 2, and then B flat, then C4, and then 2, and then C open, again C2, E3, and then you do that 2 times, and then for the last part, D, 6, slide to 7, and then 2, slide to 4, back to 2. Hope you got that.